Hello and welcome to the Moss Stitch Square, Part 10 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start this square, chain 32. For row 1, we will single crochet into the 4th chain from hook. Chain 1, skip the next chain, then place a single crochet. Repeat this down the row. You will chain 1, skip the next chain, then place a single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next chain, then place a single crochet all the way down the row. When you get to your last chain, you should place a single crochet. For row 2, we will chain 2 and turn. Now place a single crochet into the chain 1 space from the previous row. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, and then into the next chain 1 space place a single crochet. Repeat this down the row. Place a single crochet into each chain 1 space with a chain 1 in between each single crochet. Repeat row 2 until the square measures approximately 7 inches. Once your square is around 7 inches, it is time for the border. To do the border, we will chain 1 and turn. 3 single crochets into the corner. Then 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To join, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. I like to mark the front of my square with a slip of paper and a pin.